this part of the wall behind the school hall is not covered in the costing for the Great Wall of Assunta. And now, as you can see, this is phase 1, which is just completed. Okay, see, up to there. So it looks kind of weird that our school have got two different walls. One being the old, still there, and then we have this new wall being erected. This is phase 1, already completed and paid for by
board and the PIBG.
By the board and PIBG. Okay, and of course naturally there'll be more phase 2 and phase 3 to be done, right to the end, to the guard house.